In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Chime Visa debit card benefits. Now, in order to use these benefits, you need to manage and activate the individual features right inside of the Chime application. The first thing that you can do in terms of benefits or perks is to earn the Chime Deals cashback. So within the application of Chime, you can simply head over to the Deals section. It will be available within settings or within more applications, and you should be able to pick a local offer, which could be gas or food, and then simply tap on the activate option before swiping your physical card. So this is one of the benefits that you get. Secondly, you can also access the overdraft fee menu or within settings as well. You can see the option which says Spot Me, which allows you up to $200 in free debit card overages if you receive qualifying direct deposit. So these are the few benefits that you get. Also, you can use the automated savings feature, which is called Save When You Spend. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.